Welcome back students of 7th class. This is mathematics lecture. Friends, in this video session we will discuss about properties of parallel lines, which is chapter 14. So friends, let's get started. Here friends, we will discuss the first parallel lines. What about the parallel lines friends? When two or more lines do not intersect at all, they are called the parallel lines. Now see friends, this is the line and this is another line and there are another lines also. So if these three lines extends in both the directions, here extends in both the directions, but they do not intersect to each other, they do not intersect at all, that is called, these three lines are parallel. So this is L, suppose this is M, this is N, so L parallel to N parallel to M. Okay friends, once again friends, two or more lines, they do not intersect after extending the lines in both the direction. They are known as the parallel lines. Now friend, distance between the parallel lines, friend, second, distance between parallel lines friends. Look at friends, this is the line L and the another line M. Okay, the distance between them friends are constant. That means the distance between each points of the L to M are constant, and extend the lines, then the constant distance. Okay, and this constant distance means that this line is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, so the line in between them, so the distance in between them which is perpendicular, that is called the constant distance friend, constant distance. So this is suppose 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay friends, now see the next one, transversal friends. What about transversal? Next point friend, transversal. Transversal, very simple, a line which intersect two or more line at distinct points is called transversal. See friends, line, this is another line, or it may the another line, these three lines. When a line intersect two or more lines in distinct points, that is called the transversal. This is L friends, M, N, and there is another line, this is suppose X. X is the line which intersect these three lines at distinct point, namely P, Q, and this is R. So this line X is known as the transversal. Now see the next point friends. Now the next point is angles formed when transversal cuts two parallel lines. Now friends, angles form when transversal intersect, or a transversal line intersect two parallel lines. Look at friends, here L, M are the parallel lines friends. Okay, and there is transversal, namely this is suppose this is the transversal, this is T. Okay, now there exist how many angles friends? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 4 angles. Okay, namely suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 friends, and this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now here The sub points related to this point is, first, corresponding angles. Now friends, corresponding angles. Look at friends, angle 5, angle 1 are corresponding angles. Look at the friends, angles same side on the transversal, angle same side on the transversal, angle same side of the transversal, and just above this line, this angle is just above the lines and same side transversal, so this is known as the corresponding angles are equal, friends. Now another friends, look at the angle 8 and angle 4, both the same side of transversal and just below the line, so we can say the angle 4 is equal to angle 8, which are the corresponding angles. Similarly friend, for the same fashion is here another side, angle 6 is equal to angle 2, friends, because these two angles are on the same side of transversal and just above the line. Now next friends, angle 7 is equal to angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to friends angle 7, because these two sides, these two angles same side of the transversal and just below the line, okay, these are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent, friends, equal, okay. Now see the next sub point, alternate interior angles. The second one is friends alternate interior angles. Now friends, alternate interior angles are also equal. Look at the friends, this is angle 5 and angle 3, this is alternate here and here. This angle 3 is equal to angle 5, alternate interior. Another friends, this is 6 and this is 4, so angle 4 is equal to friend angle 6. Friends, alternate and interior means friends, because the both these angles are in between two lines, so this is interior. Now the second point, third point, alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angles. Now see friend, alternate exterior. So exterior angles friend, this is these two angles 1 and 2 are exterior, 8 and 7 are exterior angles, okay. Now what about alternate exterior? And look at the friend, this is 8, okay, and this is angle 2. So here friends, alternate exterior angle 2 and angle 8. Here angle 2, angle 8, okay, exterior angles, okay, angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and angle 7 are also exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 7 are also exterior angles, okay. Now see friends, 4 number consecutive interior angles. See friends, angle 3rd, angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5 are the consecutive interior angles, okay. Now friends, it's the time to solve questions of examples of exercise 14. Now see friends, question number 4 says, in the given figure, L is parallel to M and T is the transversal, angle A is 135, find the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 angles. Now the solution friends, the given point is the angle 1 is given, so angle 1 is friends what? Angle 1 is 135 degree. Now friends see, angle 2 is equal to angle 1 because of a vertically opposite angles. Now look at the friends, when two lines intersect at a point, there exist 4 angles and pair of each vertically opposite angles, are equal, so angle 2 is equal, so now friends angle 3rd is equal to angle 1. This is vertically opposite angle and the angle 1 is given friends 135, hence we can say the angle 3rd is also 135. The first solution is got it. Now friends see, look at the friends, Here friends, this angle third is equal to 135, so this angle 1 is equal to angle 5 friends, because friends corresponding angles, so angle 5 is equal to angle 1, corresponding angles friends, no angle 5 as it is, so angle 1 is given 135, corresponding angle. Now next friends, angle 6 is equal to angle 6 is equal to friends angle third, because of corresponding angles. Look at the friend, this is sorry, angle 1 is equal to angle 5, because the angles which is just above this line and above this line and same side of transversal means corresponding angle. So the corresponding angle on angle 6 means angle 6 is equal to angle 2. Okay friends. Now look at the friends, this is also corresponding angles for angle third is equal to angle 7. This is just below and same side of transversal. So we can say angle 4 is equal to friends angle third by corresponding angles. Now angle 4 as it is, angle third is friends 135 that we have find. So angle 4 is equal to 135. Now similarly friends, see, sorry, angle third is here, sorry, one second mistake. Look at friends, this angle third and this angle 7, okay, sorry, angle 7 is equal to angle third. We have to select two angles same side of transversal, first point, then see the position of angles, same position of angles means this angle is just below this line and this angle 7 is just below this line, and these two angles 3 and 7 are the same side of transversal, so we can say angle 3 is equal to angle 7 by corresponding. Okay, so angle 7 is equal to friends angle third is 175. Similarly friends, these two angles, angle 8 is equal to angle 4, because these two angles is just below this line L and M respectively and same side of transversal, so we can say angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Okay, angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Now see friends, there are so many ways to find out. Okay, angle 5 is equal to 135, angle 5 is here, this angle 5, angle 1, this angle 5, this angle 3 is corresponding alternate interior angles, and angle third be 135. Okay, now see friends, angle 8 plus angle 7 is equal to friends 180 degree, linear pair friends, because a straight line, this is the line, have a look at friends, this is the line and this is the ray, so the sum of the angle 8 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree by straight line. Okay, so angle 8 is as it is and angle 7 is 135. Now solve friends, angle 8 is equal to 180 minus 135, so this becomes 45. So angle 8 is equal to friends, this is 45. Now angle 8 is 45 friends, then we can say the angle 4 is 45 also. So now here friends, angle third is found, angle 1 is given, angle 3 is found friends, angle 4 is given. Now angle 6, now look at the friends, this angle 6, this angle 6 is equal to friends angle 8, angle 6 is equal to angle 8, vertically opposite angle friends, look at this vertically opposite angle, so angle 6 is equal to friends angle 8, the value of angle 8 is equal to friends here 45 degree, so this is also 45 friends. Hence we can easily find out friends all the angles. I hope we found all the angles. Now see friends, question number 4, in the adjoining figure angle A 60 degree and C is parallel BA and angle BCD is 65 degree, find angle ACB. Now friend ACB, this angle we have to find. Suppose friend this angle is X. Now see friends, in the figure since C parallel BA. Now friends, CE parallel, this line is parallel, this C is parallel friends, and BA. Okay, now consider AC as transversal and AC as transversal. AC as transversal friends. Now इसलिए therefore look at the friends this angle, whole angles. We can say the angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to friends angle A. Look at by alternate interior angles friends. This angle and this angle by alternate interior angles. So ACD could be written as friends x plus 65 degree and angle A is 60 degree. So x plus 65, sorry friends, see here friends, CE parallel BA. Okay, this two line is parallel, so this is transversal friends. Why? Because AC intersect this line at A and this line at C, means different, and so AC becomes transversal, so we can write the AC as transversal. Now friends, this angle, now friends, angles in between line and transversal and angles in between line and transversal means these are the alternate interior angles. So angle X could be written as friends angle X is equal to angle A, means angle X is equal to 60 degree. Now friend, this angle 60 degree. Okay, so now the whole angles, angle ACD is equal to x plus 60. Look at x plus 65 friends. Look at ACD, the whole angles ACD. So this x plus 65 friends, and x is equal to 60 degree and plus 65 as it is, add, this is 125 degree. Now angle ACD, look at friends, ACD is the exterior angle friends. Okay, now see friends, if we talking about this is the, suppose this is the line, your B, this is BD is the line suppose, and there is this is the ray. Okay, so this angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree friends. Sum of these two angles, linear pair. Now we can say the angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to friends 180 degree. A straight line, look at the friends, by a straight line, okay, by a straight angle. So ACD is equal to friends 125 plus ACB that we have to find as it is 180. So angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 125. This becomes friends, this is 55. So ACB is equal to 55 degree. This is answer. Now see friends, question number 8 says in the given figure EF parallel GF and angle EAG is 65 degree, ACH 100 determined, ABC and this. Okay, the figure is given friends. Now this line EF parallel GH. Since friends, solution EF parallel GF. Okay, so now see, now this AB is and AB is friends transversal. Okay, now see friends, look at this angle and this angle are equal because of alternate interior angles. Because of alternate interior angles, so we can write the ABC means angle B is equal to the angle 65 degree. Alternate interior angles friends. Okay, This is the first answer. No, the first answer. No, ACB friends, ACB, ACB. So this angle is equal to 65 degree. We have to find the ACB. Now see friends, have a look. Since friends EF parallel GH and this kind is AC has transversal friends. Okay, now friends we can write the angle. There are so many ways to write down the angles. This side, or now simply we can write friends, because we have to find the ACB. Very simple. Look at friends, this angle at this angle. Sum of these two angles 180 because the straight line friends. Now we can write friends angle ACB is equal to friends plus this is 100 degree, this angle plus this is equal to 180 because of a straight line, a straight angle friends. Okay, so angle ACB is equal to friends 180 minus 100 degree, so becomes friends ACB is equal to 180 degree, sorry. So this is the second number answer. Now third is friend, we have to find BAC. Now friend, this is 80 degree and BAC we can find out friends with the in applying the angle sum property, means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Okay, now see friends, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum to property friends, angle A is that we have to find. Angle A could be written as friends BAC, इसको इसे लिख सकते हैं. Angle B is friends, angle B is only 65 degree. Angle C friends 80 degree is equal to 180. Now angle BAC, add friends, this is 45 degree, 180. So angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 145. Now say BAC 35 degree. Answer. This is third number. Now the last four number friends, CAF. So this is CAF, this angle friends. Look at friends, this line and this line both the parallel, and this is the transversal. Look at, so this 80, it is also 80, the alternate interior angle friends. So we can write here friends, since the line EF parallel to the line GH and AC as transversal. Okay, then angle CAF friends, CAF is equal to angle 80 degree by alternate A for alternate IC interior, or A for angle alternate interior angle friends. I hope friends you will be clear. So your homework friends, to complete the examples problem. If you have any doubt, confusion, please contact me. Okay, to solve examples. Okay, have a nice day.